Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects millions' digestive health. We're specifically tackling 3 common issues: GERD, intestinal inflammation, and navigating nutrition after bariatric surgery. Whether you struggle with heartburn, bloating, or are adjusting to life after weight loss surgery, food can be your greatest ally. It can be tough to feel your best when your gut is giving you grief. We've all been there. That's why I'm excited to share practical, science-backed information to help you take control of your digestive health. We'll explore the root causes of these conditions and how dietary changes can make a world of difference. Digestive issues are incredibly common. It's estimated that millions suffer from chronic heartburn, also known as GERD. Conditions like irritable bowel syndrome or IBS, or inflammatory bowel diseases like Crohn's and ulcerative colitis are also on the rise. These conditions aren't just uncomfortable, they can impact your energy levels, sleep, and overall quality of life. Many people struggle silently, feeling helpless and unsure of where to turn for relief. The good news is that you don't have to suffer in silence. While medication can play a role, food can be a powerful tool for managing and even reversing these conditions. By understanding which foods trigger symptoms and which foods soothe and heal, you can regain control of your digestive health. We'll break down the specific foods to embrace and those to avoid for each condition. Get ready to ditch the antacids and discover the incredible healing power of food. Let's start by understanding what happens in our bodies when we experience GERD. GERD stands for gastroesophageal reflux disease. It's a chronic condition where stomach acid flows back up into the esophagus, the tube that connects your mouth to your stomach. This backflow of acid irritates the lining of the esophagus, leading to that uncomfortable burning sensation we call heartburn. For some people, it's a mild, occasional annoyance. But for others, it's a frequent, painful experience that disrupts daily life. GERD is often caused by a weakened lower esophageal sphincter, or LES. The LES is a ring of muscle that acts like a valve between the esophagus and stomach. When functioning properly, it opens to allow food to pass into the stomach and closes tightly to prevent stomach acid from escaping back up. However, in people with GERD, the LES may not close completely, or it may weaken and open spontaneously, allowing acid to reflux into the esophagus. Section 2. The fatigue connection. How GERD drains your energy. You might be surprised to learn that GERD can significantly impact your energy levels, leading to persistent fatigue. There are a few key reasons for this connection. First, GERD frequently disrupts sleep. Many people experience an increase in symptoms at night, waking them up with painful heartburn. This sleep disruption, even if it's just for short periods, prevents restful, restorative sleep, leaving you feeling drained and exhausted throughout the day. Additionally, the chronic inflammation caused by the constant irritation of the esophagus can contribute to fatigue. Inflammation is your body's natural response to injury or irritation, but when it's ongoing, it can take a toll on your energy levels. This chronic inflammation can also interfere with nutrient absorption, further contributing to fatigue. Section 3. Foods that fuel the fire, common GERD triggers. Now that we understand how GERD can lead to fatigue, let's look at some common food triggers that can worsen symptoms. By identifying and reducing your intake of these culprits, you can take a proactive approach to managing GERD and reclaiming your energy. Foods high in fat are notorious GERD triggers. These foods take longer to digest and can relax the LES, increasing the likelihood of acid reflux. Examples include fried foods, fatty meats, full-fat dairy products, and creamy sauces. Spicy foods are another common culprit. The compounds that give these foods their heat can irritate the already inflamed esophagus, exacerbating symptoms. Acidic foods like citrus fruits such as oranges, lemons, and grapefruits, and tomatoes can also worsen symptoms by increasing the acidity in your stomach. Section 4. Soothing the burn GERD-friendly foods to embrace. The good news is that just as certain foods can worsen GERD, others can help soothe symptoms and promote healing. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can reduce the frequency and severity of heartburn and improve your overall digestive health. Let's start with oatmeal. This breakfast staple is naturally low in acid and high in fiber, making it a gentle and satisfying choice for people with GERD. The fiber in oatmeal helps move food through your digestive system and absorb excess stomach acid. Bananas are another excellent option. They're naturally low in acid and contain natural antacids that can help neutralize stomach acid. Melons, such as watermelon, cantaloupe, and honeydew, are also low in acid and hydrating, making them a refreshing and GERD-friendly snack. Understanding intestinal inflammation affects many, manifesting in conditions like IBS, Crohn's disease, and ulcerative colitis. These conditions cause distress, from mild bloating to severe pain and chronic diarrhea. Inflammation results from the immune system's response to threats like bacteria or food particles. This leads to swelling and tenderness, potentially causing ulcers or strictures. Symptoms include abdominal pain, frequent bowel movements, and sometimes constipation. When dealing with intestinal inflammation, it's essential to identify and avoid foods that can exacerbate symptoms. Certain foods are known to trigger or worsen inflammation, and steering clear of these can help in managing the condition more effectively. Foods high in refined sugars, saturated fats, and artificial additives are common culprits that can aggravate intestinal inflammation. Fried foods are particularly harmful due to their high fat content. These foods can slow down the digestive process and put additional strain on the intestines, leading to increased inflammation and discomfort. Similarly, sugary snacks and sodas are best avoided as they can lead to spikes in blood sugar levels, which can trigger inflammatory responses in the body. Dairy products can also be problematic for some individuals with intestinal inflammation. Lactose intolerance is common, and consuming dairy products can lead to symptoms such as bloating, gas, and diarrhea. It's worth noting that not all individuals with intestinal inflammation need to avoid dairy, but if symptoms worsen after consuming dairy, it might be best to eliminate it from the diet. Processed foods with artificial additives and preservatives are another group to be wary of. These substances can irritate the gut lining and exacerbate inflammation. Incorporating healing foods into your diet is crucial. These foods soothe inflammation and support gut health. Anti-inflammatory foods help manage IBS, Crohn's, and colitis. Omega-3s in salmon, chia seeds, and walnuts reduce inflammation. Include these foods regularly for gut health benefits. Fiber-rich foods like oatmeal and brown rice are essential. Probiotic foods like yogurt and kefir balance the gut microbiome. Leafy greens and colorful vegetables support the body's healing. Section 4. Practical tips for reducing inflammation through diet. Adopting an anti-inflammatory diet requires mindful choices and consistency. Plan meals around anti-inflammatory foods like omega-3 rich foods, fiber, probiotics, and vegetables. Cooking at home helps control ingredients and ensures nutritious meals. Simple recipes like quinoa stir-fry or turmeric chicken soup are beneficial. Staying hydrated is crucial for managing inflammation. Herbal teas like ginger or peppermint can soothe the digestive tract. Keeping a food diary helps identify inflammation triggers and adjust your diet. Section 1. Navigating the bariatric journey. A new chapter in digestion. Bariatric surgery can be a life-changing decision for individuals struggling with severe obesity. It's a powerful tool for achieving significant weight loss and improving obesity-related health conditions like type 2 diabetes and heart disease. However, it's essential to remember that bariatric surgery is not a quick fix. It's a lifelong commitment to a healthier lifestyle. One of the most significant adjustments after bariatric surgery involves adapting to a new way of eating. The surgery alters the anatomy of the digestive system, typically by reducing the size of the stomach or bypassing a portion of the small intestine. These changes restrict food intake and alter how nutrients are absorbed. Section 2. Why proper nutrition is paramount after bariatric surgery. Because of these anatomical changes, proper nutrition becomes absolutely crucial after bariatric surgery. The body's ability to absorb nutrients is reduced, making it essential to consume a nutrient-dense diet to prevent deficiencies. These deficiencies can lead to fatigue, weakness, hair loss, and other health complications. Adequate protein intake is particularly vital after bariatric surgery. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, maintaining muscle mass, which can be lost with rapid weight loss, and supporting a healthy immune system. Bariatric patients need to prioritize protein-rich foods in their diet to meet their increased needs. Section 3. Building a bariatric-friendly plate foods to embrace. So what does a bariatric-friendly diet look like in practice? The focus is on consuming small, frequent meals packed with nutrient-dense, easily digestible foods. Lean proteins are the cornerstone of this dietary approach. Examples include skinless chicken breast, turkey, fish, beans, lentils, tofu, and low-fat dairy products like Greek yogurt. Cooked vegetables are another essential component. Steaming, baking, or roasting vegetables helps soften them, making them easier to digest. Good options include carrots, zucchini, green beans, broccoli, and spinach. It's important to introduce vegetables gradually as tolerated, as some individuals may experience gas or bloating initially. Section 4. Hydration and meal timing. Key considerations for success. In addition to choosing the right foods, proper hydration and meal timing are essential for success after bariatric surgery. Drinking enough water is crucial to prevent dehydration, which can be a common issue after surgery. Aim to sip water slowly throughout the day, avoiding drinking large amounts of fluids with meals, as this can cause discomfort and interfere with digestion. Spacing meals evenly throughout the day helps regulate blood sugar levels, prevents extreme hunger, and optimizes nutrient absorption. Most bariatric programs recommend eating 3 small meals and 1 or 2 snacks per day. It's essential to listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues and adjust portion sizes as needed. Section 1. Reclaiming your digestive comfort. You've got this. As we've explored today, managing digestive issues like GERD, intestinal inflammation, or navigating life after bariatric surgery doesn't have to be overwhelming. By understanding the power of food as medicine, you can make targeted choices that soothe your gut, reduce discomfort, and boost your overall well-being. Remember, it's not about deprivation, it's about making sustainable changes that nourish your body from the inside out. Start by gradually incorporating the foods we discussed that are known to ease symptoms and promote healing. At the same time, be mindful of the common trigger foods that can exacerbate your specific condition. Section 2. Mealtime inspiration, putting knowledge into action. I know it can be challenging to translate dietary advice into delicious, satisfying meals. That's why I've put together a few sample meal ideas to get your creative juices flowing. Remember, these are just starting points. Feel free to customize them based on your preferences and dietary needs. For those managing GERD breakfast, start your day with a bowl of soothing oatmeal topped with sliced bananas and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Lunch. Enjoy a salad with grilled chicken or fish, quinoa, and a light vinaigrette dressing. Dinner. Bake salmon with a side of steamed asparagus and a small serving of brown rice. For those with intestinal inflammation, breakfast. Blend up a gut-friendly smoothie with unsweetened almond milk, spinach, banana, and a scoop of collagen peptides. Lunch. Have a lentil soup with a side of gluten-free crackers. Dinner. Try a turmeric ginger chicken stir-fry with brown rice noodles and plenty of colorful vegetables. For those following a bariatric diet, breakfast. Scrambled 2 eggs with chopped spinach and a sprinkle of low-fat cheese. Lunch. Enjoy a small portion of grilled chicken or fish with a side of steamed broccoli. Dinner. Try a turkey meatloaf muffin with mashed cauliflower. Section 3. Your journey to digestive wellness starts now. The most important takeaway is that you don't have to navigate this journey alone. Knowledge is power, and by arming yourself with the information we've covered today, you can make informed choices that support your digestive health. Remember to listen to your body, be patient with yourself, and celebrate your progress along the way. If you're struggling to manage your digestive health or need personalized guidance, don't hesitate to reach out to a registered dietitian or healthcare professional. They can help you create a tailored meal plan and provide ongoing support to help you achieve your health goals. Thank you for joining me today. I'm confident that by embracing the power of food as medicine, you can reclaim your digestive comfort and live your healthiest, most vibrant life. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more evidence-based health information, and share this video with anyone who might benefit. Here's to a happier, healthier gut.